Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to share with you a couple things that I ordered from Fat Quarter Shop. I love to take advantage of their daily deals, so let's see what I bought. I'm not the most careful with my cutter, and I watched a video. Someone had one that was made out of ceramic and you couldn't cut yourself. I need to find out if you know what that was. I need to buy one of those. Okay. And let's see. This is what the daily deal was the day I bought this. This is a Moda Fat Quarter Club, February 2024. And the featured fabrics are Dandi Duo by Robin Pickens. And I just love the colors. That has some beautiful colors. And I paid $24.63 for this. And I believe there's 12 fat quarters in this. First one is a white. It's a white print with little flowers on it. I like that. This lime green is big and bold, but neat. Another lime green with some pink. That's a different one. Here's a cute paisley in the lime green. And it's more of a salmon, I guess, instead of pink on that. This one is a nice blender of the lime green. Yellow with the big bold prints. There is another yellow print. And the salmon coral colors, they're always my favorite. This is a nice one, a nice blender. Another one that's salmon with the cross stitch patterns on it. Cute. Big and bold, but I like this one. That's pretty. Ooh. I have a feeling this is my favorite. Look at that. That is beautiful. And the print's just the right size. Not too big, not too small. And another of the paisley in the salmon. I like this one too. You tell I like salmon, but I did love this bundle, which is why I bought it. What else did I buy? I bought, this is Autumn Backgrounds Fat Quarter Bundle by Lori Holt. And I am going to do a quilt along starting in January that uses Lori Holt's fabrics and pattern. I'll show you. I'm going to be doing the Vintage Christmas, and it's a quilt along, so you might want to join. And we do like 4 blocks a month. This is going all next year. This is going to be fun. But maybe these fabrics would go with this, but I think the other ones are a little bit lighter. Not that I need them. I don't know. I guess I'm starting a Lori Holt collection. So you can see these are all the tone. They're not really an ivory. They're more of a very, very light tan color, if you can see. There's one. Got the little flowers on it. Another one with the little flowers. Oh, I always like prints like this. That's beautiful. Another one. These are probably a darker color than I thought they were. I thought they were going to be more of an off-white, but I know I will be able to work these fabrics into different projects. There's a cute one. And then that one. And I believe there are 12 of these also. And for this, I paid $25.33. What I was doing was trying to get my total up to the $59 so I could get free shipping. So I bought another Aurifil thread, and this is my sand color that I always buy. I bought that, and that was $5.98. So since I had the Sew Sampler box last month, if you spent $50, you had a coupon to get something free. And what it was it's this coaster set. And I wanted this. Gotta have a good reason to find more fabric. You don't really need. These are beautiful. Look at that. And it has cork on the back. So it's a nice little coaster. That one's cute. The sewing machine. And a cross-stitch heart. These are beautiful. I don't remember what the value was of these. I was just like, I want these. And these are going to stay in my quilt studio. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of these things that I purchased. And please subscribe to my channel to watch more unboxings from Fat Quarter Shop and other places. Thank you.